Hi guys, my name is Eric. Thank you so much for coming if this is your first time. If you are returning, thank you for returning again. For my new people, I usually post on YouTube every day, unless I don't have time. And then what I will be trying to do though is record 7 videos in one day, so I have something to upload. And then the next week I can film 7 more, and then kind of just keep doing that. Because I've been kind of slacking with these videos, so I do apologize for that. I do intend to post every day though. So hopefully you will join this YouTube cult going on here. But yeah, let's get into the video. What's up, guys? This is my niece. You're being weird. You're always weird in these videos.
I know.
But it's okay. It just fades away. But basically, we're going to be talking about what I got at the dollar store. I went there a couple days ago, and I found a bunch of makeup that I wanted to try to see if it's good or not. So we're just going to kind of do like a haul video and then do a different video using the products. So you can just start pulling them out, and then we can talk about them as we go. So it's going to be kind of hard with the light because the light makes it like super bright. So I kind of just do like this. But yeah, see what I mean? Yeah, so this one, I got 3 of these little eyeshadow palettes. I mean, they're basically all $1, so it's kind of like a good deal. So that one is which one? Oh, this is the nude. So these are more of like browns. It's got some mattes and it's got some shimmers in there. And it's got this little applicator thing, which is, I heard it's actually pretty good for metallics when you're trying to put them on the lid, if you don't want to use your fingers. So I definitely want to try this. And then, what's the next one? I got 2 more other ones.
Berry.
Yeah, so the next one is the berry one. This is more of like a mauve one. I think out of all of them, this one's probably going to be my favorite. It's got some like deeper plums in there. Hopefully the payoff is pretty good because these palettes might be actually pretty good. So there's that one. And they're kind of like a little booklet, so you can like close it and take it to go. And then the next one
Is peach.
Peach. So for me, this one is more like sunset colors because you got that orange, the peaches, and then you got that one yellow. And you got some like red metallics in there. So it could make some really nice sunset looks if the palette does kind of work out. Okay, next one. Oh yeah. So this thing is, I've showed you, you know that thing?
Yeah,
It's like the,
go.
yeah, so I've been looking for these at the dollar store, but I haven't seen any. I've only seen them in California at the Daiso Japan dollar stores. But they finally have these. So I actually want to open this. Well, no. I'll do a different video doing it, but this is what I got because I wanted to see if it was pretty good. Because for $1, that's amazing. Yeah. So these are loose highlighters. These are kind of similar to the ones I sell. But I was checking the ingredients, and they actually do have a lot of filler ingredients. I got like 4 different shades. They do have talc. Yeah. So this one, this one's pixie dust. It's like a blue one.
This one's.
Yeah, they're all shimmer. This one, I think it's more like a pink. Yeah, this one is fairy dust.
This is
Gold dust, and that one's more yellow. And then I opened this one. This one's magical dust. And what is this one? Because this one's more like peach, I want to say. But these, they are nice. But I have another one.
It's white.
Oh, this one's white. What is it called? Sugar dust. But so this is basically them. And while they are nice, they actually do leave a little bit of a white cast. And I do think that it's because of the talc in there. And it just leaves like a weird ashiness on your skin. These would be pretty nice as like a body highlight, but if you're a little bit deep, it might come out a little bit ashy. I'd have to try the other ones to make sure, but that is my assumption right now. Okay. Next product. You could show it on camera. Say what your thoughts are. What do you think about it? Does it look nice?
It's just highlighting.
I know, but what are your thoughts? Does it look nice on your skin?
I like that it spreads and you can't see the color.
See? It's
Like,
a good thing.
There's glitter everywhere.
Just pretend like you're talking like to the person. This is a person.
Okay.
Okay. Next product.
Which one?
Doesn't matter. Okay, this one. This is supposed to be a face primer. It's a little bit of a color corrector. I was watching this one YouTuber called like Robert Welch or something like that. He's a makeup artist. And he says using a peach will help neutralize like super dark spots. So yeah, I saw. I gotta work fast.
Mm-hmm.
My laptop's dying. But this one is like a peach one. It's supposed to be like smoothing, so I assume it's a pore filling primer. Yeah, it's got dimethicone in here, so it's gonna help fill your pores. But yeah, I don't know why I got this. I think I got this for my sister to try out. But because I don't usually have like super dark circles, but we'll see what we can do with that. Next one. This one is, it says it's a concealer sponge. I don't know about that. Wait. Dang it. Hold on.
What do you do?
Because I got it because I thought it was going to have like a rubber end to it. Like the Huda spoolie. I think I could put a picture right here. Oh yeah, I messed up. Yeah, so I thought this was gonna have a rubber side, and I thought this was gonna be a sponge, but it is not. So it's basically just like this, kinda, like these little ones. This one's a little bit more like rubberier, so hopefully this works. But I really wanted one of these. And then we have one last item. This is the e.l.f. brush.
You want to open it?
Yeah, you could open it. So it actually, e.l.f. has been dropping like different like collections for like different themes. This one I think is for their more natural kind of theme. It is a dual fiber brush, which I do love. So it's like this little small stippling brush. I use something similar like this for my foundation, but I actually wanted to try this for my highlighter. So it would be like a very sheer amount, and then I can kind of just buff it on the cheeks. So I'd put my highlighter down, and then I'd use this to buff it out. But yeah, I think that is everything for today. I will be filming a different video, kind of using the products to see, probably doing like different eye looks with this to see how it works out. But other than that, I think that is a wrap. But what are your thoughts on anything that I got? Was there anything that you think looks cool or is your favorite?
This one.
What is that one?
Pixie dust. A shimmer pixie dust.
Which one is that one? What color?
Purplish blue. Like a baby purplish blue.
Yeah.
I like it.
Cool. Yeah, that one is probably my favorite too. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this berry eyeshadow palette.
Oh, I want to try this one.
Hopefully it works.
I really want to try the peach.
Yeah? Oh, we probably should try it for the next video. So, yeah, I guess that's it. Time to play that outro. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you found this video like beneficial at all. Like if it helped you make any decisions on your purchases or anything. If you want, you can find me on Twitter at ericquezada24053, Snapchat at ericquezadaQ24053, the same one, Instagram ericnerd, and TikTok ericquezada8. And I'll have it all listed down below too. And I will see you guys in the next video. See you later.